Hey guys, welcome back. So I'm super excited to share with you guys another collab where I was gifted something, and I'm so excited to show you guys because these are gorgeous and I'm just ready to get into it. So let's go. Okay, so these are size 8. And let's see. They come really nice, like individually packed. How cute! Oh my goodness, look at that chunky heel. Right. Let's see. Of course, I'm going to style them and show you guys what they look like with an outfit because that wouldn't be fair if I didn't. So let's get into it. Let's get moving.